everyone, this is one of a few short sessions that's going to deliver 5 minutes of Tai Chi to you. We'll be moving our body in a gentle, low impact manner using the slow, controlled and flowing movements of Tai Chi and QiGong. It's easy to follow at home or if you're a beginner, so just listen to your own body and make sure you keep everything well within your comfort zone. 5 minutes of Tai Chi. Let's get started. Starting with our feet in our hip width apart, parallel stance. Do take a minute just to check your posture. So we're grounding our feet to the floor. We're lifting up through the crown, keeping all our joints tension free, nice and relaxed and a neutral posture. We're going to start holding our QiBall and inhale. And exhale, opening and closing the QiBall. So feel the energy that we're moving and creating as we open and close this QiBall. Inhale, open the ball and exhale, close. Feeling the resistance and really focusing on creating that mind-body connection. We're going to do our repulsing the monkey. So twisting the waist, one hand goes slightly behind because of the twist of the waist. We're bringing it to the ear and we're pushing forwards as we pull the other hand towards us. And again, the other way. Twist of the waist takes the hand behind us and then we push and pull. Focus on the palm of that pushing hand. Really feel this movement. Lifting up to hold the mirror, cloud hands. Twisting the waist and we wave. We swap the hands and take them across. Twisting the waist, we wave. We swap, we take them across. So again, following the hands, creating that mind-body connection and feeling relaxed. Pushing our cares away, pushing those clouds onto the sky. Push out, adding a little knee bend, grabbing the rope and bringing it back in. So feeling that resistance, visualize pushing something heavy out of the way and then pulling it back in. And again. Taking the feet slightly wider than hip width this time so you can sink into that deeper horse stance. We're holding the QiBall. Inhale as we open and close this time, sinking down. Keeping the posture tall. Even though we're sinking down, feel the energy sink through the body and into the ground. Keeping the breathing Feeling calm throughout. Adding that resistance. Repulse the monkey. Again, adding this portion pull with the horse stance. Bringing it up to hold the mirror. Let's take it over to side plank. Cloud hands. And lift up in the middle. And take it down the other side. Lift up. And follow the hands. Really feel this flow. Lovely movement. Or you can keep this movement all on one level and travel through your horse stance. Following your hand, watching it wave. Pushing out, grabbing the rope and bringing it in. So again, even though we're sinking into that horse stance, we still want to keep the posture nice and tall and really visualizing pushing something heavy out of the way. Really powering this move from the dantian. Feel your flow. Gather the chi. Nice big inhale and exhale. And bring it to rest. Thanks for joining me. I hope you're enjoying the content on the channel. Do press subscribe if you are, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.